let's talk about how to build credit. I need you to do everything I say in this video if you want to build a perfect credit profile, if you want to get the best approvals and all of that. When it comes to your personal credit, I need y'all to understand, if you don't know already, all these people that are saying, oh, no PG this, no PG that, you don't want to focus on that. You want to focus on prioritizing and making sure that your personal credit is healthy. This means having multiple primary accounts. We're going to go over one, which is Ava Finance today. You want to have auto loans as well, show that you have that auto credit history if you're looking to go get a car. You want to have different primary trade lines. So we're talking about Ava Finance today. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Let's get straight into it. So just a little bit about Ava, and I'm going to go to the website. So one thing about them is that they give you up to a $2,500 limit. So I had a client that got approved for a $590 limit, and they also let you invite people to the app to get $20 for each referral. So if you're somebody, a lot of people, you just be like running your mouth when you're talking to people and all that. Tell them Ava Finance. When you at your 9 to 5 or something, when you at school, if you a college student watching me, just be talking to your people. Be like, oh, have you ever heard about Ava Finance? How's your credit? This, right? So I'm always showing y'all. I'm always giving y'all ways to make money. So don't say I ain't ever did nothing for y'all. So go ahead and invite your people to Ava Finance. So you can add merchants on autopay, like Netflix, to go ahead and build the credit. So if you're somebody, you're like, okay, I've never had credit before, or maybe you damaged your credit in the past. I know things happen. Things happen in life. Maybe you co-signed for somebody. Maybe you did what you weren't supposed to do. Or maybe it was you that messed up your credit. But you do deserve a second chance. And that's why I put out these videos. And that's why we're talking about Ava Finance. So keep in mind that's what you can do. They'll basically upload your credit profile in there as well, so you can monitor it. It's pretty much just like Credit Karma. So if you don't know, Credit Karma reports your Vantage 3.0 score. If you're new to credit, you want to really be worried about your FICO score, not your Vantage 3.0 score. You can use a Vantage 3.0 score as like an estimate, but I see a lot of people like worried about the Vantage 3.0 score, and that's not really supposed to be the case. It's just supposed to be like an estimate. Credit repair business owners, sometimes they have their clients look at Credit Karma as like an estimate for when items got deleted. But so yeah, you can do that. It's just a different scoring system, but just to let you know that Ava Finance reports the Vantage 3.0. And then they'll let you do a secure loan too. So just keep that in mind. I want to go to the website real quick. So if you go to meetava.com, if you an action taker, you're going to literally do what I said. Literally just open up an account, and then you're going to be able to add an additional account to your credit. Your score is going to go up. So keep that in mind. They say don't let your credit score hold you back. Ava helps you build your credit profile fast. 74% of Ava members see a credit score improvement in less than 7 days. Is that a guarantee? I don't think they're making any guarantee, right? So just keep that in mind that your score may go up. So let's just scroll on the websites. So you can go to meetava.com and then look for yourself. But the reason why your score is going to increase is because you're adding a new account. But depending on how your profile looks, because it's a new account, it may decrease your age. So just keep that in mind. It doesn't necessarily mean that Ava is scamming you. If you don't know about credit, then stuff may seem weird, but it is what it is. So you would sign up and link a bank account where your paycheck is typically deposited. So if you work a 9 to 5, you have your own business, whatever. They might do the thing with the Plaid where you log into your financial institution. I think that's what one of my clients has said had happened. Basically, you'll link your bank account, and then what'll happen is you can also use their credit builder MasterCard to pay your everyday bills and build your credit at the same time, right? So those of y'all that don't understand, credit is basically trust. So if you're already paying bills, like let's say on your debit that you were gonna pay anyways, why not have like monthly subscriptions here, like your Netflix, your Spotify, or whatever, right? If you've never been like declined when you out of your Spotify, then just keep that in mind that you can do all that here. So credit is trust. If you're a credit repair business owner, you want to get your clients on Meet Ava. That's one of the primary accounts that we tell our clients to sign up for. So make monthly payments of your Ava Save and Build credit account. Get all your money back after 12 or 24 month term. So there's more ways you can do stuff like that as far as like secured loans. You can do stuff like pledge loans. I think I put out videos in the funding playlist, so you can go ahead and watch that as well. But that's a feature of Ava as well. Watch your credit history take off while Ava reports to all 3 credit bureaus within 24 hours every time you make a payment. So yeah, just if you're looking to build that credit, go ahead and sign up with Ava. They got some FAQs here, so you can go through it. Oh, okay, cool. What is Ava cost? So if you don't have $6 a month, you have no business getting any type of credit product. If you don't have the month to month is $9. So, 6 times what, 12? $72 for the year. If you don't have less than $100 to invest in building your credit, you don't deserve to have any credit card. We'll just keep it at that. So don't be cheap. It's a very low cost investment. So yeah, with that being said, hopefully this video was helpful for y'all. If y'all want more credit builder stuff, I know majority of people that I watch are they're already established and looking for like business funding. But if you're just a new subscriber or you're just coming across my video, you want more credit builder type videos, let me know in the comments below. And my team will take note of that, and then we'll keep that in mind. So with that being said, y'all have a blessed one.